Greetings from the Academies of Math and Science. My name is Jocelyn, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to re-enroll your scholar for the new school year. Let's get started. First and foremost, you're going to want to go into your internet browser, whether it's on your desktop or cell phone. In the URL bar, you're going to want to put amsschools.schoolmint.net/welcome back, or typically we have an enroll now or re-enroll now button here on our website that you can click, which will take you to this page. Which is a Schoolmint page. So what you're going to want to do next is input your login credentials, so your username and password, which will then take you to this homepage, which is your students dashboard. You'll be able to see your student's name here that you'll be re-enrolling for the new school year. If you see this yellow returning button, that's the button you're going to want to click to verify that they're going to be coming back for the new school year. You'll see this pop-up confirmation window that'll say, are you sure your student's name will be returning for, and then the next grade level. So then you go ahead and confirm and hit yes, returning. And you're done with the first part. The next part is to complete the re-enrollment forms. We suggest and urge each and every one of you to complete these forms as soon as possible, so you won't have to worry about getting them turned in at a later time. So you will see that it took me back here to the student dashboard. And then you'll see that that yellow button now turned into a green one that says re-enroll. You're going to want to click that re-enroll button, which will then take you to this page. Now here we're just asking that you verify your address if this has been updated information or changed since last time you provided it to us. We ask that you please update all the information as applicable. So you hit save and continue. Then you'll be directed to the re-enrollment for this will say your student's name. And these are all the online forms that we need you to fill out, and you'll be able to cross-verify, check, make sure that the correct grade level is listed for next year and that you're working on the new school year re-enrollment forms. So you'll want to go in each one of these sections and fill out every single one of the required fields. So once you're all done and hit submit forms, it'll take you back to the student dashboard where you'll see that the student is all set up for the next grade level. Now, if you have multiple scholars enrolled at any of our campuses, please make sure and go back to complete these steps for each individual student. So basically here where it says sibling test, it'll say the name of your other scholar. You'll hit returning and go through the same process for that next student. A way you can check to make sure that all re-enrollment forms are submitted is all the dashboard for each and every one of your students is going to look like this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact our enrollment team at enrollment@amsschools.org, or you can call us at 602-584-6625. Also, please don't hesitate to reach out to your AMS front office. Thank you and happy re-enrollment.